Hey guys, it's Sadie. I'm sorry about the audio on the last one. I'm sorry about the audio on the last one. It's because I think I was wearing those gloves. Okay, so here's the inside of this, and I didn't calculate these in in it. We're testing. This is first off. This is a testing to see if the audio is better. Um, it might not have been necessary for me to wear those gloves because these are pretty insulated. So, um, in that calculation, we had this, but I do have these in here, and these are um, 320 volts, 115 microfarads, and I have them doubled. So it's there's 640, 640, 640, and then that of course that halves the 115. So it did add some to this. So we will have to add that into that. I knew there was a little bit in there. So I did charge my batteries again. So I'll try to do this with one hand. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. Hopefully the audio is better because I don't need to wear those gloves, and I think the glove was covering it. Now, you can give me a hard time because this is a Vivitar. This is a Vivitar, and you don't have to be a genius to know that Vivitar might not be the best thing if I want to make a quality video. So you can give me a hard time about that, but it is a cheap Vivitar. Um, I can do better, but I wanted to use this action camera, but it is a Vivitar, so keep that in mind. Okay, so these are charged up. Well, look at that. Out of the two 9 volts, we got 20 volts. And this should charge a lot faster. Oh my gosh, that charges a lot faster. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do this. And then I'm just going to upload it and check the audio just as a test. But I will make a slow motion video, and I will calculate the extra that we had in there. So look at how much faster this charges up. Okay, wow, there's 300 volts right there. 300, oh my God, you guys. Oh, that was good. Okay, that's a lot better. We will check the audio. Thank you.